Cannabis sold in Massachusetts. The state now says the level of mold and yeast is too high in dozens of batches. Here to talk about that is Dr. Todd Ellerin, Chief of Infectious Diseases at South Shore Health. Good to see you, Doctor. What's the concern here? I mean, it doesn't sound good.
Right. I mean, the concern is that basically that in over 24 type of retail products for marijuana, there's been too high levels of yeast and mold. And, you know, that's a problem because we're inhaling this. So you don't want to be inhaling, especially if you're immunocompromised, transplant, or on cancer chemotherapy, right? You know, there are a lot of cancer patients that are using marijuana to decrease their nausea, to increase their appetite. You don't want that type of mold getting into the lungs directly.
That's scary. Who's testing this? The FDA?
Right, so this is what's interesting. Even though marijuana is legal in Massachusetts, right, both recreational and medical, and in lots of states around the country, it's still illegal federally. So therefore, the FDA is not involved in oversight. So Massachusetts uses third-party regulators in the state.
Do you think the people who use these effective products should call their doctor right away?
No. What they should do is make sure that they destroy it or take it back to the retailer where they got it to make sure it's destroyed. But if they're symptomatic with things like pneumonia after using these products or some type of potentially allergic reaction after that, then absolutely you want to talk to your provider. One thing that's really important though is I think marijuana right now in 2025 is similar to big tobacco back in the 1950s. We don't know what the long-term risk of this. So I think we really have to especially talk to our children because remember over the past decade, marijuana use has doubled. Many kids, many adults are using marijuana more than they're using alcohol. So I think we have to be careful.
Interesting. For our viewers right now on our website, WCVB.com, you can find the full list of retailers and recall products if you just go right there to our website and educate yourself right there. Dr. Ellerin, thank you so much. We always appreciate you.
You too, Maria.
All right. Stay well.